Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the most delicious, healthy shrimp and broccoli stir fry. This recipe takes absolutely no time, especially when you don't have time to be spending long hours in the kitchen. This recipe is for you. Before I begin, if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the video with a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right guys, to begin, I am going to be using 2 heads of broccoli. I am going to cut them down. I like to cut them by the stem like this. Just gonna keep going. And there's another cutting we're doing right in the middle because I like it cooked, but not fully cooked, obviously. Like this right here, I like to cut it straight in the middle, okay? Not too much because you don't wanna, you see how they just falling apart and stuff. You don't wanna cut it too much where you're wasting the broccoli. So I'm just going to cut them like this, but this is the way I love cutting, just flat like this. My kids, they love broccoli, especially the older one. Callie, she loves broccoli. So this right here is a staple, especially with chicken. They love it so much. Now it's time to clean the broccoli. I like to add them into a bowl full of water. Once you're done with that, you are going to grab white distilled vinegar or apple cider vinegar, which is what I'm using today. You're going to add, I'll say a teaspoon of that since that one is kind of small. And just let it soak for now while we're working on the shrimp. On a medium-high heat pan, you're going to drizzle a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons, not too much. Now you're going to add in your shrimp. I'm going to let the shrimp cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, maybe 1 minute per side. Then we'll remove it to set it aside. Time to flip the shrimp over. Once you have that going, we're gonna let it go for another 30 seconds. Then we can remove them. Looking good. Time to remove the shrimp. They are looking so good right now. So flavorful. Ooh. We're going to place that right here. You're going to use the same skillet, drizzle some more olive oil. Now, my broccoli, I went ahead and rinsed it like twice, and I'm going to place it right into my pan. Perfect. Give it a little mix like this. We are pretty much steaming this. Now, the reason why I add the oil, I do not want the broccoli to burn, so I'm going to cover this on medium-high heat. Allow the steam just to cook the broccoli, okay? Just like this for about 3 to 5 minutes. So the broccoli has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I stirred it occasionally, and this is what we're working with. As you can see, I love when you get that little crust on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I am going to add a little bit of garlic. So let's add a tiny bit of oil. Add your garlic, fry that. Now this is a stir fry, so you're gonna use a little bit more oil. Cook the garlic until fragrance or until it's nice and golden brown. I'm going in with a little bit of sesame seed oil. A little bit goes a long way, so I like just a little bit, just for the hints of the flavor. Then I'm going in with some soy sauce, add it on the side, not in the middle. You don't want it to burn. And also I have some hoisin sauce that I'm going to add in. Just a little bit of that. Then to season, we got some complete seasoning here. And that's pretty much it. Give that a stir. If you like it saucy, you can add a little bit of chicken broth in here. But for me, this is how I like it. I'm going in with the shrimp now. The shrimp produce some juice for you, so just add that in. Ooh, that looks so good, and it's smelling amazing, y'all. Don't let your sauce dry. Just give it a few, just give it a few stir here and there, and you're good to go. You are good to go. That's how I like my broccoli, okay? It looks good, it smells good, and I know it's going to taste so delicious. And there you go, your shrimp and broccoli stir fried. Now, how quick was this delicious, healthy, stir-fried broccoli? Absolutely delicious, smelling amazing. Let's give it a try. This is really good, really good. The amount of time we take to make this, for the flavor to taste this good, you can't go wrong. You gotta try this ASAP. I'm talking about better than takeout. Delicious, fresh, easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you give this video a try, do not forget to come back and leave a comment below. Let me know how you like it. Also subscribe if you're new here. Thumbs up the video, and I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye guys.